Yeah, I definitely ran out of talent moment. That was an understeer into a concrete wall. So, first time I've done it, but I'm actually impressed with how well everything's stood up to it. Yeah, Andy Frost's piece of metal did well. And the biz bumper bar. But, yeah, thanks to the boys for fixing it all up for me, really. Morning guys, it is Sunday morning here at BDC. I am not in my race suit. Not how I wanted to start off my first BDC round for 2021, but you know, these are the unfortunate things about building a car for the last 6 months, being extremely tired, and then coming to an event with absolutely zero practice. So I learned the hard way. The LSZ looks absolutely fantastic at this end, but if we take a little walk to this end where the boys are now working, they're now rebuilding parts of the car. But as you probably saw by some of the other footage that Adele took yesterday, yeah, had a slight coming together with the wall. Managed to test out the new crash structure straight away, so bent up these, actually managed to ram in part of the bumper bar system into there, pulled some of the Advocol coolant lines off, and also, more importantly, we've Mr. Wanacott very kindly found a crack on the top of my oil cooler. At that point, that was where I decided that we should probably call it for the weekend. Didn't want to do any more damage to the car. It felt like I was kind of wrestling it a bit. You know, we've still got at the moment the Part Shot Max kit on the front. I feel I've been fighting that for a long time. You know, there's more modifications and stuff we need to do, but from an engineering standpoint, we're going to put the new lock kit on, which is the FDF Mega Mantis kit that should be coming soon. Cannot wait to get that one fitted. And then it's going to be all about seat time. For the last 6 years since I've been driving this car, all I've been doing is feeling like I'm fighting it and constantly making changes, but anyone that drives a car understands that you should not just constantly go out and do that. So it's my own fault. I've got more work I need to do. I also need to work on getting my head clear as well. So James from Rymax, he's got some people I can have a chat with about maybe doing some more work on that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, you know, we got out there, did a few laps, definitely made a mess of the back of the car. There is rubber everywhere, but my God, was I happy with it, really. And yeah, so what we're going to go and do is tidy this one up. You heard Adam's just starting up his monster. He's about to go out and do some qualifying, so we're going to go up on the bank with the team and cheer those guys on. So there we go.